Last time on Stewland.
Oh!
Alright, here we are at Karamias, grabbing some fruit before going on to Lightning Lake. There's Ash, let's do some weightlifting. Yeah, arm curls. Zucchini arm curls. Press it over your head, nice work. Alright, we've made it as far as Manning Park. We are turning off the highway here and heading up to Lightning Lakes, where there's a provincial campground. Right, Nino? We're gonna go camping? Yeah, buddy. We are loaded down with fresh Okanagan fruit. It's been a very nice drive. Looking forward to camping for a night. Okay, Sasha, interview time. Got the mattress inflated. Who gets to sleep on this?
Mommy and Daddy.
Dang right. Car camping at its finest. You guys get thermarest though. It's fine.
I don't like the feeling of thermarest.
Oh, I'd say toughen up, be a better outdoors person, but we're sleeping on this, so I can't really say that. Okay, let's go get the rest of this stuff. You realize something, guys?
Nope.
This is the first time, I think, Mommy can correct me, that we managed to camp just on our own, all four of us.
The first.
What?
I think so.
The first time?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Well, we've gone with friends a few times, but just the four of us, we have not gone out and camped on our own. I don't think ever.
That is amazing.
Amazing. Steady cam. Whee! A cool view of the treetops this way, actually. This will be my artsy video, Kate. And this is how we roast marshmallows during a
Campfire band.
campfire. I bet you could probably get more even brownness from the consistency of a propane flame.
Higher level of control for sure.
Less fun though. Perfect s'mores. Is that your second, honey? Delicious. Healthy too, right?
Mm-hmm. No. Completely healthy. Completely healthy. 100%.
Nothing says provincial campground like the old brown outhouse. I remember these from when I was a kid coming to these parks. I loved going to the shows that they put on in the evening, so we're gonna go check one out tonight.
We are so lucky to be able to share our lake with. So before we jump in,
Alright, we're headed down to the beach to do some stargazing. It's dark. Holy moly. Let's see if we manage to get any light on the camera when we're down there, right, you know?
'Cause you're a sky full of stars.
Unfortunately, no campfire means chilly hands in the morning, eh guys? And just like that, we're loaded and ready to go home again. What's our next stop, Kate?
Vancouver pit stop, then Whistler.
Where I have to do what, Heidi, when we get to Whistler?
Jump in the lake!
Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm here with Heidi and Heidi. So I'm jumping in Green Lake today, right? And this was because of a challenge that you issued to me. First of all, I don't like to jump in cold water, do I?